This is not just a game, it's a battle of speed, a test of strength, strategy, and the spirit of the nomads. Kokpar is one of the most spectacular and intense equestrian sports in the world. There is no room for the weak here. Kokpar is an ancient game that originates from the Turkic peoples of Central Asia. Its analogue can be found among the Kyrgyz, Uzbeks, Afghans, and even in the Far East. Now let's go over the rules. Kokpar is a team game involving 2 teams of 4 riders on the field. The main goal is to seize the carcass of a goat, or its artificial replacement, and deliver it to a taikazan or a special spot in the opponent's territory. The team that throws it more times wins. Today, Kokpar is not just a tradition, but an official sport. Thousands of athletes around the world participate in it. Tournaments are held in Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, and even in Europe. Last year, Kazakhstan hosted the Grand Nomad Games, gathering the best teams from around the world. Our Kokpar players took first place. Kokpar is not just a sport, it's a symbol of the nomadic heritage. Toughness, speed, strength, it's all here. Want to see it live? Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for our new episodes.